Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you on how you can go ahead and take your measurement. I'll be using inch. First thing I'm going to take is the round bust measurement, which is right here as you can see, right? And the second measurement I'm going to move on is the round under bust measurement, right at your under bust. The third measurement I'll be taking is the round waist measurement. The fourth measurement I'm going to be taking is the round hip measurement, the highest part of your hip. The fourth measurement I'm going to be taking is from the shoulder to the bust point measurement. The next measurement I'm going to be taking is the shoulder to the under bust, as you can see, the shoulder to the waist, and the shoulder to the hip depth. All right. After doing so, the next thing I want to do is the shoulder to the knee. Now, I'll go ahead now and take shoulder measurement. After taking the shoulder, I will move now to the neck measurement. Bear in mind that I'm using inch for this. You take the highest part of your neck, not the tiny part of the neck. Now, I'm going to move now to the round lap. The round lap or the thigh measurement. So you can see, right, the highest part of your lap. And I'm going to move now to the round knee. Normally, you're supposed to take the top part of your knee, okay? Not really the knee, the top part of your knee. All right. And I'm going to move now to the ankle measurement all the way down. So you can see the round ankle, just like you can see me doing here. Now I'll take from the waist to the hip depth. And from the waist to the knee line. Sorry, make sure your tape is straight, okay? And from the waist to the line, the waist to the ankle, all right? How long you want your pant to be. And I'm going to take now the round armhole measurement. Thank you so much.